Hi there, I'm Joseph and Lillian from Kitwe, Zambia. It's a joy to give you an update on the COVID-19 pandemic and what's happening in Zambia. The infection rates are low at the moment, less than 100, and very few deaths. But the real impact of this is economic. People are losing jobs. Poorer families are even becoming poorer. They don't have food. We have impact on the children, and we'll tell you that. But also, the church has been impacted. We have churches here in Zambia, as well as in neighboring countries of Tanzania and the Congo, where we are planning to respond in 3 ways. First of all, children. COVID children packs, where we support families, first of all, to feed them during this time when they have no jobs and no food, and protect them from the virus. Secondly, the impact of the virus on church life. Just the other day, I received a phone call from some of our pastors in distress. Churches are not meeting. There is no income. They've lost their best of living. We need to support pastors somehow. Thirdly, we need to keep the church family connected. So with the social media impact that we have at the moment, we need to get the churches connected, so even in times of separation and self-isolation, that the church can continue functioning. So we're talking about empowering the pastor, empowering leadership teams, training them in how they can use that.
So for the children, we have come up with a food packet which we are proposing to be able to give to the families, because we already do feeding programs in different localities in around Kitwe. Now we can't cook anymore, and we can't really gather children because of the regulations that we have been given as a health precaution against COVID. So in families now, we are trying to provide them with a bag of mealie meal, which is like corn flour, which they are able to use for food. And we are being told to also provide hand sanitizer and soap. But these two sometimes are expensive. And so we are providing them with just a normal bar soap, which they can use to wash their hands. And for the masks, the original ones, which are these ones, or like the one I'm wearing, are £2. And so they're expensive. And we are now just making them just to make one for them, which is out of material, which they can even wash every day with the soap. And the important thing there is a bucket with a stand, which they can all the time be able to wash their hands every so often. So this is the pack we're trying to organize to give to families where our children are in the compound.
Thank you for praying for Zambia and for Congo and Tanzania. Please pray for us, and let's give into this. Let's support the children, and God richly